Good day, everyone. We are Group GLC, and today we will present our school management system developed for Lab 3, implementing and testing OOP concepts in an integrated application. Our system demonstrates the application of object-oriented programming concepts, specifically encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. The purpose of this system is to manage basic school information such as students, teachers, and courses, and display the corresponding data in an organized way.
The overview of our system, the school management system, contains three main components. Number one is the student management. This stores and displays the student information such as the student ID and the student name, or should we call it as a current instances of an object, or the student management instances. And the second one is the teacher management, which stores teacher information including the teacher ID and the teacher's name, or the current instances of the teacher management. The third one is the course management, which contains the course code, the course name, and the course schedule. So in our example, um, the course included the system is integrative programming and technologies with the schedule TTH at 9 to 10:30 a.m. So these components are implemented using Java classes and are organized following the principles of object-oriented programming.
Our system demonstrates three core OOP principles. First is encapsulation. Encapsulation is implemented by declaring class variables as a private and accessing them through methods. This protects the data from unauthorized modification. So encapsulation is when the system only accepts a certain access by a certain person. For example, an admin. An admin is the only one required to to um, to access the specific information. Now, second is inheritance. The classes student and teacher inherit from a base class called person. This allows both classes to reuse common attributes such as ID and name. So here inheritance, this is where the student and teacher class will inherit from a base called a person, which the properties of the person will go to the student and teacher to reuse the common attributes, which is ID and name. So, and lastly is polymorphism. Polymorphism is demonstrated through the display info method, which is overridden in both the student and teacher classes to display different information depending on the object type. So in polymorphism, we can say that both parties have the same name, but they both have different objectives. That is what polymorphism means. So these OOP principles make the system more organized, reusable, and easier to maintain.
Now, now we will demonstrate how the system works. When the program runs, it first displays the list of the students stored in the system. This includes the ID number and the name of the student. As you can see, Gisame L. Pauline, Joshua Lance Roquero, and Cholo Ancinco. Next, the system displays the teacher information, which in this case is Mr. Clint Lawrence M. Duenas. Finally, the system shows the available course which is integrative programming and technologies, including its course code and schedule. This output confirms that the system successfully manages and displays student, teacher, and course information.
In conclusion, the school management system successfully demonstrates the application of encapsulation, inheritance, and the polymorphism using Java. The system is capable of storing and displaying basic school information while maintaining the proper objective-oriented structure. So, through this project, we are able to better understand how the object-oriented programming concepts can be applied to our real-world applications. That's it. Thank you for watching our presentation.